If your Toyota RAV4 refuses to start, don't panic. We can narrow down the cause in just a few minutes. Statistically, 87% of these no-start cases are resolved by simple electrical fixes rather than major engine repairs. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Always start by checking for loose battery terminals, a weak key fob battery, or a shifter that is not fully in park. The most frequent culprits are a drained battery, heavy terminal corrosion, or a failed starter relay. If those look good, investigate the ignition fuses, the brake pedal switch, or a failing alternator. You can handle cleaning terminals or jumping the battery yourself, but internal starter or ECU issues are better left to a professional. As you can see, the price gap between a simple electrical fix and a full starter replacement is substantial. For advanced diagnosis, use an OBDI scanner to check for hidden codes and test your battery voltage with a multimeter. Keep a basic scanner, a multimeter, and a wire brush in your garage to handle these electrical issues quickly. Remember that safety is your top priority. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before handling any electrical components. If these steps don't resolve your starting issue, it is time to have a professional technician take a look.